Are you the big girl? Are you the big girl? Are you the big girl? Are you that big girl I want? Are you my big girl? Are you my big girl? You tell me right now if you're my big girl. I want to know. Who's my big girl? Who's my big girl? You Dylan my big girl? He's my big girl. Who's my big girl? I said, who's your daddy? Is my big girl or my daddy? Who is your daddy? I'm your daddy. Are you my big girl? Are you my big girl? Can you say yeah? Say, I'm your big girl, daddy. Say, I'm your big girl. You know this by now. You know this by now, brother. Are you my big baby? Say, I'm so big. Oh, you want to talk now? What do you have to say for yourself? Say something. Please say something. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. I'm so big. Boy. Ah. Are you my big baby? Big king baby? Making farts in your pants? You making number 2 in your pants right now? Yeah. Ah. Ah. There she is. The biggest girl I know. The biggest girl I know. Whoa. Ah. What's the matter? You want some Starbucks? You want to... We got a what? Frozen pizza? You want a frozen pizza? I got a frozen pizza cooking. What? What, pepperoni? Cheese? What do you want, pepperoni or cheese? What kind? What kind do you want? I don't know what that means. Huh. Oh. Pepperoni. Pepperoni. Say, I want pepperoni. Yeah? Oh, that means cheese. Sausage? You can't eat. You can't eat sausage yet. Pepperoni. I think I'm cooking you a cheese pizza right now. Cheese pizza. Wah. Wah. Cheese pizza. How about easy rice crust? You want? What? You don't like crust? What do you mean? Breadsticks? No, we don't have breadsticks. We have frozen pizza. This isn't Domino's. You want some, maybe I could make some chicken? Oh, chicken wings with ranch? Maybe. I'll see if we got some in there. What else? What kind of drink do you want? Bottle? Chocolate? Milk? What? Orange juice? You never even had orange juice. Did you? Oh, you did? She what? In your bottle? Orange juice? Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. You want to come uppy? My big girl. Say bye. Say bye-bye.